Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today let us discuss important remedy for you can say sciatica or cramps in the legs, extremity symptoms. This remedy I have used lots in my practice and I have got very good results when I have seen these symptoms in that patient. The remedy which I am talking about is GNAPHALIUM, GNAPHALIUM, GNAPHALIUM. Infrequent use remedy, acute remedy, and it gives very good results if the symptom similarity is there. You must have heard cramps in the calf muscles. It is there. GNAPHALIUM is there. Colocin, Graphitis, McFoss, Lycopodium is there. But in GNAPHALIUM, the most important symptom of cramps is cramps in the foot in bed. Cramps in the foot. A very, very important remedy, almost a specific for that. It has never let me down. So whenever the patient complains about cramps in the foot in bed, think about GNAPHALIUM. Think about bryonia alba also. Many of times when I have given bryonia and it is failed, I have given GNAPHALIUM and it has worked. See, normally we tend to prescribe the polycrest remedies or the remedies which are routinely prescribed. But when it fails, then we try to find out which remedy covers this symptom, and GNAPHALIUM covers this symptom, cramps in the foot. There are some patients who come to the OPD and say, Doctor Sahab, I feel as if मेरे घुटने में ना ऑयल नहीं है, मेरा घुटना घिसता है, पूरा जाम लग रहा है, कभी कभी आवाज आती है, or on the fingers, or on the toes, or in the joints, any joints. GNAPHALIUM, dear doctor, is a very important remedy when the patient comes and tells you that there are complaints in the joint and there is a feeling that the oil is not there in the joint. My dear friends, do give GNAPHALIUM. It's a very, very interesting remedy for that complaint. Now, as we go to the sciatica symptom of GNAPHALIUM. GNAPHALIUM is a very, very important remedy for sciatica. So we have sciatica, of course, lower extremities. The modality is very important. The patient says flexing the limbs. मतलब वो limbs को जब पेट तक flex करता है ना, उसको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Flexing the limb to the abdomen, the patient feels better or is ameliorated. GNAPHALIUM is also there, but one more important remedy that you should think about is colocin. The important symptom of GNAPHALIUM is that sciatica is alternating with numbness. डॉक्टर साहब इतना दर्द होता है मेरे पैर में नस में कि पूरा सुन्न पड़ जाता है. इट इज नमनेस विद दैट पेन. देन यू मस्ट थिंक अबाउट विथ GNAPHALIUM. वन रेमेडी यू शुड थिंक अबाउट इज ग्राफाइटिस. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव यू 2 or 3 remedies with that symptom, so that if you understand the comparative mathematics, it is very important to understand the comparative mathematics so that you can differentiate the remedies. As we go further in sciatica, the patient says he is ameliorated by sitting. अभी मैं आपके ओपीडी में आया डॉक्टर साहब, मैंने केम टू ओपीडी, आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द चेयर एंड आई फीलिंग मच बेटर. दिस इज ऑल्सो GNAPHALIUM. आपके ओपीडी में पेशेंट आता है और जो सिम्टम जो हरकत करता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली पॉइंटिंग टू द रेमेडीज, वेदर इट इज acute or chronic. So when the patient says that he has sciatica, better by sitting on the chair or sitting in the chair, think about GNAPHALIUM. If the patient says just I'm better by sitting, and if he says in the room there is no chair and he sits on the bed and is better, that's also GNAPHALIUM. You can think about GNAPHALIUM. You can think about semesifuga, Goicum. Goicum is also an important remedy. In GNAPHALIUM there is a what you call the symptom of extension of pain is important. The patient says the pain starts from the hip and goes to the feet. मतलब पूरे हिप से पूरे फीट तक पेन रहता है, sciatica pain. Then you have to compare remedies like McFoss. In fact, Berberis is also there, and Lycopodium and Cactus is also there. So these are all the remedies which are also has that extension sciatica pain from the hips to the feet. And one symptom of GNAPHALIUM that I remember is neuralgic pain of the lower limb. Neuralgic pain of the lower limb, the sciatica pain. Neuralgic pain of the lower limb, GNAPHALIUM is a very, very important remedy. So these are only symptoms related to extremities, where I have seen GNAPHALIUM work wonderfully. There are other symptoms also of GNAPHALIUM in extremities, but these are the symptoms which I have clinically seen in my day-to-day practice, and that has given me very good results. So my dear friends, think about Naphthalum and think about the comparative remedies which I have told you in comparison with Naphthalum, and of course some symptoms which are very peculiar to Naphthalum only. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.